Welcome to Peak to Profit, where each week we share practical and tactical guidance to help you grow and run a profitable business. Hi, I'm Jennifer Drago, award-winning strategist and business coach. I help entrepreneurs and small business owners develop a laser-focused roadmap to business growth so they can earn more, work fewer hours, and amplify their impact. Last week, we talked about how to navigate the current environment of owning a business in challenging economic times. We discussed how to keep eyes wide open, looking for new opportunities to bolster your product suite and serve your clients in new ways. We also recommended keeping a strong eye on the competitive environment and opportunities it may bring to partner or capitalize on competitors who may be exiting the market. How do you sharpen your ability to recognize these opportunities? Well, as a business owner, I recommend that you undertake a SWOT analysis, SWOT analysis, of your business on at least a quarterly basis. A SWOT analysis is an intentional and thoughtful evaluation of your business's strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. So how do you do this? Well, you take out a blank sheet of paper and you sit down to work on this uninterrupted for about 30 to 60 minutes. If you have a partner in your business or other key members of your leadership team, you will want to include them in this process because fresh eyes on the situation can bring different perspectives. So first, you're going to list the strengths and weaknesses of your business. These are internal to you, to your business, and therefore completely within your control. When you see your strengths written out on paper, this will allow you to think about how you can capitalize on these strengths to serve even more clients. Recognizing your weaknesses will allow you to identify aspects of your business that you need to work on or to strengthen. So that's a really important evaluation internal to your business. Next, you're going to list the opportunities and threats. These are external to your business, meaning they're outside of your control. They're in your environment generally, but you can figure out as a business how you respond to them with your business strategy. So if you're a brick and mortar business or a service business that focuses on a certain service area, you want to look at opportunities and threats in your immediate geography, but also in your industry. So looking at opportunities, these can be opportunities to serve new customer segments, to expand your service offerings, to try a new sales technique, for example. For threats, these could be competitive threats in your service area, in the geography that you serve, but also in your industry in general. And it could also be the economic conditions that we're experiencing right now if your product is seen as a luxury and if your customers are price sensitive. So those are the 4 areas of a SWOT analysis, and the reason that we do a SWOT analysis is so that we can recognize and build upon our strengths, strengthen our known weaknesses, capitalize on our opportunities, and minimize the threats that may threaten our business. And as I mentioned, I encourage my clients to evaluate their businesses using this SWOT method quarterly. And the best time to do so, in my opinion, is before you solidify your goals for the coming quarter. The benefits of doing this kind of analysis is that 1, it's no cost. 2, it can be illuminating to see all of your strengths and weaknesses listed in one place. 3, it helps you identify things in your environment that can be a threat to your business or provide a unique opportunity to actually increase your revenue. 4, it can be repeated on a regular basis to always have an objective evaluation of your business, provided that you are radically honest with yourself. And that's a big point of importance. You have to be truly honest with yourself. Next, it can be especially powerful when you involve partners and team members because you're all on the same page about how your business is doing and what the opportunities are. I have an example SWOT analysis that I'm going to share with you for educational purposes. This is for a fictitious digital marketing agency that markets itself online. So in this particular instance, the strengths of this agency are its expertise. Its owner has 30 years experience in the environment. It's got strong technical skills. The owners who run the business are strong in their technical skills. They do have some financial freedom because they've set aside dollars to be able to start their business, so they have a bit of a runway to get going. The owner has time to devote to the business, which is awesome, meaning they're not working full-time somewhere else, so they're truly invested in the business. They have excellent assets, both a website and lead magnets in place to help bring in customers, and they have good testimonials, but there's only a few of them because they're brand new, so a bit limited. Their weaknesses are that they have a small email audience right now to sell their products to. They have limited course offerings. They do digital courses, as I mentioned, but they only have one that is actually up and running and available for sale. They're currently in development mode for other offerings. They don't really have a team to support them. They're wearing all the hats as solopreneurs. They don't have any evergreen products, meaning products that are pre-recorded and can be sold and used on demand. They don't really have much automation on the back end of their business, and their operational processes are not outlined. So they don't have any standard operating procedures to even be able to bring a team on and hand over some of those functions. Some of the opportunities that they have are to develop a low-ticket alternative offer. So again, they have one course, but perhaps they could do a lower-ticket course in this economically challenging time. They can test a new product aimed at a new customer segment. They can also take advantage of social media algorithms and incorporate more video into the social media marketing that they do. They can select better tools to support their business and also consolidate tools to reduce expenses. And they should really hire a VA for 10 hours a week to help them with all of the back-end functions of their business so that they can truly develop content, develop their courses, and serve their customers. And some of their threats are that their biggest competitor is engaged in a well-funded marketing campaign in their immediate service area, and so they don't really have the dollars to compete with that. They have to find other ways to market their business. Their clients have started to delay purchases due to the economy. They're not sure what's going to happen, so they're holding back on buying things. Their business model currently is almost completely tied to social media on Instagram and Facebook, so they don't really own their audience. They're more using available social media platforms, which can be a threat because those can change at any time, as you know. And the owners need affordable health insurance, which is hard to find in the marketplace. So if no affordable options exist, they may have to return to work. And then finally, they have family issues that may impact their ability to operate their business. Their parents are aging, and at some point, they may need to step in and help. So that's an example of a SWOT analysis for a business and some of the things that can impact the business, both that are internal to the business as well as external. And I hope that that was helpful in illuminating how a SWOT analysis can help you in your business. Now that you know what a SWOT analysis is, you should spend some time doing one for your business. And once you've filled it out, identify then how you can build upon your strengths, overcome your weaknesses, capitalize on your opportunities, and minimize your threats. Thanks so much, and we will see you next week. Bye for now.